This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your MetaMask wallet to JumpTask. Open MetaMask, unlock your account, and switch to the correct network used by JumpTask. Next, go to JumpTask and choose Connect Wallet, then approve the connection request in MetaMask. Confirm any signature prompts and allow necessary permissions. After connecting, check your address and balance to verify successful link and readiness to use features. Start by opening JumpTask in a trusted browser and clicking Connect Wallet at the top. Select MetaMask when prompted, and MetaMask will display an approval window listing the account and permissions. Verify the account address, then click Connect and sign any required message to authenticate. Never approve unknown transactions. Once signed, JumpTask will show your connected address, and you can start interacting with tasks securely and confidently. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car while you multitask or commute to work on tasks. It's a small perk that brightens the day. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy a fresher ride as you manage your wallet. Now let's get back to the video. If the connection fails, first confirm MetaMask is unlocked and on the right network for JumpTask. Try refreshing the page or opening a private window to bypass cached issues. Disable conflicting extensions and check network RPC settings if needed. If pop-ups are blocked, enable them for the site. As a last resort, export your seed securely and reinstall MetaMask, then reconnect. These steps usually resolve most common connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.